History of turfgrass cultivation by Matthew Lane. What is cultivation? Cultivation is defined by the planting, tending to, improving, or harvesting of a crop or plant. In Latin, the word cultivation means tillage of a field. The word was first used in 1716. Vertical mowing is one form of cultivation. It is defined as a high-speed machine with vertical blades that rotate, that slice into the turf to reduce thatch and improve soil aeration. In 1955, Tom Mascaro invented the first verticutter. Before, thatch was removed by hand rakes. Here are two examples of vertical mowers. On the left is the first vertical mower invented, and on the right is a modern-day verticutter. Aerification is also a form of cultivation. Aerification is defined as the mechanical process of creating airspace in the soil that promotes a healthy root system and better drainage from natural turf. The first form of aerification came from using a solid tine forks that was done by hand. Next came a hand-pulled spiker. In 1946, Tom Mascaro invented the aerifier, which revolutionized this process. The Rose Progger was the first hollow tine aerifier, which was brought over from England and was a converted printing press. On the left is the first aerifier invented by Tom Mascaro, and on the right is the first hollow tine aerifier that was the converted printing press. Top dressing is another form of cultivation. Definition for it is an application of a thin layer of soil over a turfgrass area. It is used to smooth or level the surface or to modify the soil's conditions. In 1961, Turf Co. introduced the first mechanized top dresser. On the left is the first mechanized top dresser, and on the right is a modern day version. In conclusion, advances in turf cultivation have allowed groundskeepers to have better control over turf grass's environment, which has allowed us to improve in our industry. And lastly is our reference page where all of our sources came from.